Alexis back at Bluegrass Bushcraft, and we are camping and making some s'mores. We got all that good stuff right here. We got some Hershey's, that's good. Yeah, that's what we're doing today. We're gonna sleep in the camper. We're camping in our yard.
Oh my God!
And we got my friends over, my memo. Okay, so. Hi, I'm Alicia.
And she's also known as Thing 1.
Yeah, that's Alicia.
Actually,
I'm Thing 2.
And this is Nevaeh.
I'm Thing 3.
She's Thing
This is
4.
Melissa. Memo Melissa. Here's the fire.
Papa Robert.
And then here's Peppo Robert drinking that cold LA.
That's right.
Now what?
I'm
Some of the
watching.
s'mores she's crunching on up there.
There's some of our s'mores. So we're gonna go into the camper. This is what you see first. You walk in.
You see the bathroom right both open?
And we haven't made the bed yet, but we're gonna make that later. So we got these little curtains in case you need some privacy and stuff. And we got the bathroom. Small. Not much. There we go. Then we got the kitchen. Got some of these. That's good. That's good. I got some toilet paper for the bathroom right there. And we got the junk. Got the sink. We got the thingy. We got the light that we can turn on and off. Like that. And then we got this mirror. Hi. So, yeah, we got this little mirror right here. And inside of here, if I can open it, there's some blankets, and then there's some games up there. So here is like our living room, kinda. It's not much. There's the TV. Put stuff up there, and there's the light. There's the air conditioner. And we can go in here. Okay, so this is where me and my friends are sleeping. We already made a little tent there, so don't mind that. And you can, oh yeah, I forgot, but you can okay, so if you come over here, it's on the other side too. But if you come in here, this is like a little thing, and you can unzip it.
Wow!
And you can see outside. So yeah. And here's our door. There you go.
Did you get everything done?
Yeah.
What if you want to do?
It's not me.
It's your video.
No, it's not.
Whatever.
Hey, look. We're going to tell ghost stories after.
We're gonna tell some ghost stories.
I'm going to listen to them ghost stories, and I'm going to knock them tonight.
Got that
I'm
right there.
just kidding. It doesn't usually scare me unless I can see it. Or hear it.
Stop farting.
Ew!
Now we probably have to cut cake. So we got this place outside. This is outside right here. So that's what we got. Last but not least, we got the trampoline with balls inside of it. So it's be like a ball pit. And it's like there are 150 balls, and some of them fell out, but anyways, this is what we do. We just go like that and stuff, and we jump around stuff. So we got the 2 little chairs that we're gonna take over there and stuff. So yeah, that's it, I guess. And then we got some stuff right there. Got my shoes. Well, they're not mine, they're my memos, but it's okay. And swing sets. Yay. Then you just sit down and swing like, hold on, like this. Swing like that. And it'd be like really awesome. I got that thing, so. Oh, and this is a canoe thing that we got. So. Oh, and this is my favorite. Like, y'all can like take a picture of this. Like, it's my favorite, so. Like that. And I think that's it, but you can climb up here. And there's some sunscreen that we do not need. So that's pretty much it. That's all we're doing. So yeah, you can end it.
Bye!
All right. Thank you all for watching. Peace out, everybody.
This ghost story is about the haunted house. One time, a preacher went to see if he could put a haunt to rest at a home in this settlement. The house had been haunted for about 10 years. Several people had tried to stay there all night, but they always would get scared out by the haunt.
Hold on, here.
So this preacher took his Bible and went to the house. Went on in, built him a good fire, and lit a lamp. Sat there reading the Bible. Then just before midnight, heard something start up in the cellar walking back and forth. Then it sounded like somebody was trying to scream